Hey everyone, welcome back to Star Talk. I am Arvinay.
And I'm Salam. Today's topic is something you have definitely heard of artificial intelligence or AI.
Sounds big, right? But don't worry, we will make it little dramatic as AI our friend or foe.
So, what is AI?
Firstly, AI stands for Artificial Intelligence when a machine or a program is designed to act like humans and make decisions like humans.
So you may not realize it, but AI is all around us. When Netflix suggests the next show you should watch, or when YouTube keeps playing videos that you might enjoy. So that's how AI is working in the background.
The AI was not invented by a particular person, but it was developed by many scientists, mathematicians, and computer engineers.
There are some key contributors who contributed in development of AI. They are firstly John McCarthy, who is also called as the father of AI, and Alan Turing, who is also called as the father of computer science. And there are many members who contributed in development of AI.
So, now let us start our main topic AI as our friend.
Well, AI is helping in healthcare. For example, it can detect diseases like cancer at early stages.
Yeah, it's true. If we think about self-driving cars, they are reducing the road accidents by cutting down the human errors.
Not to mention daily life apps, tools like Grammarly help improve our grammar skills, and Duolingo to learn languages across the world, and Google Translate to break communication barriers.
The AI makes our lives easier. Even students can solve the math problems with Photomath and ChatGPT.
So clearly, AI as a friend is making education easy for students and protecting environment by electric cars.
So, the AI tools are very useful for the students to make their life easier and learn with fun. How would AI be for us?
The big worry is job replacement. With AI, doing tasks become faster and cheaper so that some jobs are going to disappear in future.
It is challenging for the people because they should learn new skills to be in demand.
True, but if we use AI wisely, we can make it work for us and not against us.
The AI also influences to make decisions.
But we cannot solely rely on AI because AI can also make mistakes, so we have to double check it.
The people are over dependent on AI, so they are becoming lazy.
Training an AI is like leaving a bulb on for centuries non-stop. Assume you asked a question for the AI. With that power, a bulb can glow for few seconds. But in the whole world, people are asking millions of questions to the AI daily. So with that power, we can glow up a bulb for 10,000s of hours every day. AI has a significant environmental cost due to its massive electricity demand, cooling needs, and hardware production. If powered by fossil fuels, it accelerates global warming. But, however, renewable powered data centers and efficiency researchers say that AI is more sustainable.
There are some AI tools in links given in the description that can you actually use in all aspects. So now let us start with the fun segment. Imagine that you woke up at the early morning with an AI superpower. What would it be?
I would choose predictive foresight. If I would choose it, I could analyze a pattern and predict future like a living algorithm.
I would choose language master because I can able to understand any language over all the world.
Or superhero traffic rules because I could find the fastest route and not to get stuck in traffic.
And even the memory master that I would never forget a birthday and any assignment.
These powers sound awesome. Maybe in the future, these powers are not just for superheroes. And we have a question for audience. If you woke up with this AI superpower in the next morning, what would it be? Let us know in the comments.
At the end, we conclude that AI is a friend and foe for us.
But humans have to use it wisely for their daily works.
Thanks for watching and see you next week on Star Talk.
And please like, share and subscribe to our channel.